Night I got Goose out helping me, keeping her away from the visitors. I got an aftermarket radiator bracket for this truck. And I followed a YouTube video installation instruction that I believe is supposed to come down somehow onto that. But when I put it in that bracket, I have about that much adjustment. I don't know what the heck. I thought it was supposed to be out more on the front, but I'm at a complete loss. Complete loss on what to do. I gotta watch a lot more videos. I also said I'd show how I did my gas pedal. That's a little washer thing that I scabbed on there. I sure wish I was a better welder, but that's how I wound up doing it. I did have a problem though. Apparently your gas pedal is supposed to go all the way to the floor to not blow the sills out, I guess, in the carburetor. So I had to do some adjustments, making my cable just a little longer so that that would go all the way to the floor. But now I have full travel on my throttle, on the carburetor, and think I'm good to go with that. But overall, right now I'm really frustrated. I got my horn that won't work. I got this alternator bracket that obviously looks like it won't work. Power steering pump, I'm trying to figure out how to get the pulley off of it. Don't know how to do that. I bought a bracket for that. That probably won't work at the rate things are going. But on Friday, I've got all my door glass, new vent glass, new felt and rubber for everything. Get the doors all finished up and painted, and that way I'll be airtight, watertight on there, so if I needed to, I could push it outside so I can get my other truck in here. Apparently Ford decided to put O-rings in their coolant lines, and I'm at 160,000 and leaking coolant everywhere. But it's cold, so I just keep putting more coolant in it because it's not a fast leak. But I've got to get that in here and done. Got to get my other car in, some stuff switched over on it. But I'm excited to have all the glass and the doors working and everything good that way. But I got to figure out how to get this stinking engine running, get the alternator on. And I just need to go to a junkyard, I think, and try and find a bunch of brackets and go with a long water pump. I got a short water pump. It's a mess, and I have no freaking clue what I'm doing, as you can tell. But thanks for watching. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Really do appreciate that. And till next time.